ngayong umaga po is nag-ano siyang palhanya na pinag-early resignation po mga members ng gabinete and yung statement. Sorry sir.
No, it's okay. But sana yun muna yung topic natin. But anyway, you asked it earlier. But, you know, I think the President was very clear last Monday that all government officials, top to bottom, need to focus on the people. Kailangan sa tao na tayo nakafocus, tama na ang politika, tama na ang gulo. Kailangan magtrabaho tayo para sa mga kababayan natin. Yun ang sinabi ng ating Pangulo noong Lunes. At itong ginawa ng Pangulo ngayon ay napakalakas at napakatibay na mensahe sa lahat ng mga kawani at opisyal ng gobyerno na kailangan sumunod tayo sa direktiba ng Pangulo. Ang focus natin dapat ay magtrabaho para sa ating mga kababayan. At itong paghihingi ng courtesy resignation ay isang napakalakas na simbolo na the government of President Bongbong Marcos means business. No, hindi po ito pakita lang. No, I think unprecedented ito. I cannot remember. I don't know. I've been in government for more than 2 decades. I cannot remember a time where a directive like this that sweeps across the entire government has ever been done by a sitting president. I think it's really a testament to the president's will, to the president's strength as a leader, and as his people who he has handpicked to help him, we are duty bound to follow that lead. No? And I will submit my courtesy resignation. In fact, I will sign it right after this, and I will send it right after this this press conference, because that is our responsibility. But I think on a last note, the most important thing I think that this message sends is that, alam mo, typically, ang mga kabinete, ang laging sinasabi ng kabinete is, we serve at the pleasure of the President. Totoo naman yun. Pero itong ginawa ng Presidente nito, itong mensahe niya, na nabasa ko yung statement ng Malacanang, hindi lang serving at the pleasure of the President. We serve at the pleasure of the people. Yun ang sinasabi ni Pangulo. Kasi ang sabi niya, kailangan tayong lahat, tao ang focus, hindi ang mga iba't ibang bagay. So with that, I serve at the pleasure of the President, and most especially, we all serve at the pleasure of the people. Thank you, sir.